morning, children. Let's learn the next lesson in English second. That is 0R. What do you mean by 0R? You might have heard it from the classes, because when we have regular classes and if some special occasions are there, definitely there will be 0Rs. Okay, and here what does the author mean by 0R? You know, if you go to space, there is a countdown. What is countdown? Means counting from top to the bottom. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Finally it comes to 0. When it's 0, then the takeoff starts, isn't it? Okay, then this is also related to that particular aspect of going to the space. Okay, the author is Alexander Blade. He was a popular American science fiction and fantasy author. The Brain and the Plotters are some of his other stories. And he's a story writer, definitely. He focuses on the science fiction. What do you mean by science fiction? The story is based on the science. Okay, and we'll see what is 0R. Let's come to the lesson. Father had already gone when Bobby woke up. This disappointed Bobby a little, but then he remembered this way the big day. Naturally, father would go to the project early, and at 4 o'clock, Bobby shivered deliciously at the thought of it. Okay, and here the author is speaking about a particular father, and Bobby is the son of this particular father. And when Bobby woke up, father had already left. Okay, and this disappointed Bobby a little, because he thought that he will know when father moves, but he couldn't see him, so he was a little disappointed. But then he remembered this was the big day, and after that he remembered about the importance of this day, and this was a big day. That's what he thought. Naturally, father would go to the project early. Since he has a project, he works in this space engineering or related to the space project. Definitely father used to move early if there is a project. And at 4 o'clock, Bobby shivered. Means today he left early and he got up almost at 4 o'clock, Bobby. Then Bobby shivered deliciously at the thought of it. What do you mean by shivered deliciously? Meaning is given there. Trembled with a pleasant sense of excitement, expecting something to happen. And he means it is not because of fear that he is shivering or cold, but he is thinking about something which is exciting. So he was shivering. He was quiet at breakfast, glad that mother was occupied, but he didn't want to talk, not today. He didn't. Might spell something secret, might even let out the big secret. That would be terrible. Okay, and he was quiet at breakfast. He didn't speak. He kept silence, glad that mother was occupied, because he doesn't want to say something, and he was happy that mother was doing something, so that he doesn't want to speak with her, because he didn't want to talk. Not today. He didn't. Okay, that means today he didn't want to talk to her. Why? Might spell something secret. If he happens to speak, definitely, since it is to his mother, definitely he will be speaking something which in which he will spill out something secret. He will disclose the secret. Might even let out the big secret. There is a possibility to disclose the big secret. That would be terrible. Definitely, if he discloses, this is just like it is giving a sense of anxiety or suspense. He has to keep it as suspense, so that he is telling that definitely he wanted to keep it for himself. He doesn't want to disclose it. If he happens to speak to his mother, definitely he will be revealing it. He doesn't want it. Of course, all things were secret at Buffalo Flats. So secret that top scientists like his father John Kendall didn't even discuss them with their families. Okay, what is this Buffalo Flats? That's a particular area where this works are going on. This space projects are going on. Okay, and here the narrator is telling that, of course, all things were secret at Buffalo Flats. Means whatever is happening, the scientist will keep it secret. That is a thing, that is a feature of this Buffalo Flats. So secret that top scientists like his father was a top scientist, and all the scientists kept it secret, even his father, and he was a top scientist, didn't even discuss them with their families. They don't want to discuss it with their families. Therefore, it was really something to sit there eating breakfast, knowing that today father was going to fly to the moon. Okay, and mother did not even know that the lunar project was in the works. He would naturally not even dream that he was going with father. The thrill was overpowering. The secret was too much to bear. Okay. Therefore, it was really something to sit there eating breakfast, knowing that today father was going to fly to the moon. That means he cannot even sit, because he wanted to go immediately to the father, because they are going to the moon today. That is a secret. But he doesn't want to disclose it to his family members, even to his mother. And mother did not even know that the lunar project was in the work. What is lunar? Something that is related to the moon. Okay, and mother did not know of this particular project, but only Bobby and his father knows it. She would naturally not even dream that he was going with father. Okay, that means she never thinks that the son, Bobby, is going to space today, or to moon with his father. The thrill was overpowering. What is the meaning of overpowering? Affecting very strongly. You know that definitely if we have a journey, we will be very thrilled. If it is a good journey, for example, just like a picnic, if there is a picnic which is conducting from the school, definitely will be thrilled. Means we will feel that we cannot sleep well, and we don't want to eat anything. We have to move early to the school, and we will have to start the trip. Okay, and so you can just imagine what or exciting, how exciting would be this journey to the moon. Okay, and the thrill was overpowering. The secret was too much to bear. He cannot keep it secret. He felt that he has to reveal it. As Bobby got up from his chair after breakfast, mother looked up and said, "And what's your plan for today, young man?" Okay, and they're keeping it as secret. And after the breakfast, mother asked, "What's your plan?" Bobby had a quick thought, a sudden temptation. Why not give her a hint? Okay, that means a temptation, a wish to do something which may not be wise. Is sometimes you feel that whether we have to do it or not. Temptation. Okay, and we feel a kind of difficulty in order to take a decision at particular moments because of these temptations. Bobby had a quick thought, a sudden temptation. Why not give her a hint? I can give at least a hint to her. Bobby smiled and said, "I think I'll go to the moon today." Okay, he gave a hint. Mom smiled too and went back to her reading. Well, see to it your fuel mixer is correct. Okay, so make sure that your fuel mixer that is needed to go to the space is correct. I'll check it. And Mom, I might not be home for lunch. What will you eat? Oh, I don't know. And he said that he doesn't know from where he is going to eat. Well, mind your manners and say thank you when you leave, said Mrs. Kendall, still smiling as she watched Bobby dash out into the yard. Okay, and she said that when you leave, just give me or tell me that you are leaving. And but the mother was smiling, and she watched Bobby dash out in the backyard, and she saw that Bobby is disappearing in the to the yard. Out in the backyard, Bobby fussed around his space rocket a little, tightening a screw here, hammering a nail there, just until he could slip away without Mother noticing where he was headed. Okay, and he had just went to the backyard, and out in the backyard, Bobby fussed around his space rocket. Now he is checking and tightening the screw. That means some kind of final works he has to do, and he is tightening the screw, hammering a nail there. Certain things have to be done. Final check. You know that if one is a good driver, definitely every morning he will check the vehicle. If something is there, any problem is there, whether it is safe. In similar way, he is also doing all these things. He is just like a scientist with his father. Just until he could slip away without Mother noticing where he was headed. Okay, and until then, he just went away from his mother. His mother may not have seen him. It was a bad rocket at that, he thought. 6 feet long with 2 seats and a new instrument panel. But child's stuff, of course. After he had found the way in through the sewer, he hadn't paid any more attention to his own ship. Okay, and this was made by Bobby himself. That's what it is told. It wasn't a bad rocket at that. He checked it and he found that it is not very bad. 6 feet long with 2 seats and a new instrument panel. Okay, and what is the size of it? It's 6 feet long and 2 men can sit, and also it has a neat instrumental panel. But child stuff, of course. The drawback of it is that it is made by a child. After he had found the way in through the sewer, what is the meaning of sewer? That is a drainage. He hadn't paid any more attention to his own ship. He went casually out through the back gate and turned left, kicking at pebbles as he sauntered along, trying to look as though he had no place to go. Had to be very careful. Didn't want to bump into any of his friends today either. He went casually out through the back gate because no one has to notice him, so he took the back gate and turned left. After that, turned left, kicking at pebbles as he sauntered along. Sauntered meaning is given, walked in a slow and relaxed way to appear casual. Okay, and he went through the pebbles and he made no noise. He was very careful. He went slow so that he would not make noise when he walked on the pebbles, trying to look as though he had no place to go. Had to be very careful, and he found that, or he thought that he should be very careful. Didn't want to bump into any of his friends today either. He didn't want to go with or roam around with his friends. Okay, so he has to be very careful. He has to take the routes which no one will notice. The way through the sphere was at a place behind Laboratory B. There was a kind of an alley there that nobody even walked through, and then this roundlet you could lift up and look under, and a ladder you could climb down. Okay, and now the way through the sewer, already I had told, drainage was at a place behind laboratory, just behind the Laboratory B. There was a kind of an alley. Alley meaning is given there, a narrow street between or behind buildings. Okay, and there that nobody ever walked through, and then this roundlet you could lift up and look under. Okay, that means there is a round lid and you can raise it or lift up, and after that you can see what is there. And a ladder you could climb down, and from there you have to come down to the place where this particular laboratory is. Bobby hadn't dared to go down at first, but after thinking about it overnight, his curiosity had prevailed and he had gone back and dug down into the lower level. He called it a sphere because of spheres being underground, but this place was clean and had bunches of wires strung in every direction and faint little lights you would see by. Okay. Bobby hadn't dared to go down at first. He has to climb down, but he was a little doubt. He was not dared enough to go down. But after thinking about it overnight, okay, that means he thought about this exciting event, so that he was thinking about it during night, and after that his curiosity had prevailed. Prevailed meaning he successfully took hold of or won over, and he had gone back and ducked. Ducked meaning lowered his head and body quickly, so that only you can get down into the lower level. He called it a sphere. Sphere, that is a drainage, because of spheres being underground. Okay, so the structure is of a sphere, and but this place was clean. Even though it is a sphere, it was very clean and neat, and bunches of wires hung in every direction. Definitely, if it's a laboratory, there will be bunches of wires. Okay. And faint little lights you will see by, and there were lights also. Okay, here we stop today, and we will see about the exciting journey of Bobby in the coming week. Thank you all.